The Radiant World of Sunflowers, a guide to cultivating nature's golden beauties. In the fascinating realm of agronomy, few plants hold as much allure and symbolism as sunflowers, Helianthus annuus. These magnificent flowers have captivated mankind for centuries, embodying the spirit of vitality and prosperity. As agronomy scientists, we embark on a journey to explore the art and science of sunflower cultivation, unveiling the secrets to nurturing these majestic blooms and reaping nature's golden rewards in our fields and gardens. Selecting the perfect sunflower variety. The journey of sunflower cultivation commences with the artful selection of the ideal variety to suit unique goals and local conditions. With a diverse assortment of sunflower types available, varying in size, color, and utility, each choice merits thoughtful consideration. Those seeking a bountiful harvest of seeds may favor Mammoth Russian or Black Oil varieties, while Teddy Bear, Italian White, or Evening Sun varieties charm with their ornamental allure. Adapting the choice to regional climate and available space is essential to ensuring a flourishing sunflower garden. Preparing the soil, the canvas for growth. An essential canvas for cultivating sunflowers lies in meticulous soil preparation. Before planting, agronomy experts advocate for thorough soil tillage, reaching depths of 12–18 inches, to eradicate any weeds or debris that might hamper sunflower growth. Enriching the soil with organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, not only fosters fertility but also enhances moisture retention. Balancing the soil's pH within the 6.0 to 7.5 range ensures optimal nutrient availability for the sunflower's well-being. Planting and spacing, orchestrating the symphony of growth. Sunflowers flourish under the natural rhythm of planting directly into the soil after the last frost, when the soil temperature hovers around 50–55 degrees Fahrenheit, 10–13 degrees Celsius. Planting seeds at depths of 1–2 inches and adhering to adequate spacing of 6–24 inches, depending on the variety, orchestrates harmonious growth. This allows each sunflower to bask in ample sunlight, breathe in fresh air, and access vital nutrients. With abundant space, sunflowers can gracefully unfold their vibrant blooms and reach for the heavens. Embracing the sun and water, the dance of life. Embodying their namesake, sunflowers revel in the warmth of abundant sunlight. Offering 6–8 hours of direct sunlight daily orchestrates a dazzling symphony of photosynthesis, fueling the sunflower's vitality and brilliance. While sunflowers display a remarkable ability to endure dry conditions, nurturing them with consistent watering during their initial stages sets the stage for a robust root system and vigorous establishment. A delicate dance of sun and water ensures the continuous health and prosperity of these golden blooms. Supporting tall varieties, uplifting nature's elegance. Certain sunflower varieties stand tall, aspiring to heights of 8–12 feet or more. To safeguard their grandeur and prevent stem breakage, early support is paramount. Stakes or cages thoughtfully placed during their growth journey provide graceful reinforcement, elevating the sunflowers to their full splendor, as they sway in the gentle breeze. Fertilization, nourishing nature's symphony. Sunflowers are virtuosos of growth, not heavily reliant on external nourishment. A symphony of balanced fertilizer applied during their early stages serves as a gentle accompaniment, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. A harmonious blend ensures that the sunflowers receive the sustenance they require to bloom vibrantly and thrive throughout their journey. Pest and disease management, cultivating resilience. Resilience is a hallmark of sunflowers, yet occasional challenges may present themselves. Vigilance in monitoring for common pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and snails allows for timely intervention. Natural remedies, like neem oil or beneficial insect introduction, harmoniously balance the garden's ecosystem, mitigating pest populations. A dance of space and air circulation further fosters the resilience of sunflowers against fungal diseases. Harvesting nature's gold, a flourish of abundance. As sunflowers mature, they gift the world with their radiant golden blooms. For ornamental enjoyment, harvesting at the peak of their bloom captures the essence of their beauty, adorning gardens with splendid cut flowers. For the treasure of seeds, a patient wait until the flower heads droop and the backs of the heads turn brown brings the reward of precious sunflower seeds. With careful harvesting, providing ample stem length, the sunflower's legacy of abundance unfolds, as the seeds are collected and cherished. As agronomy scientists, we revel in the enchanting world of sunflower cultivation, an artful symphony of knowledge and passion that nurtures nature's golden marvels. By tending to their every need, from soil preparation to thoughtful planting, sunflowers reward us with their radiant brilliance. Let us continue to cultivate these enchanting symbols of vitality and prosperity, preserving their timeless allure for generations to come. As we celebrate sunflowers' dance with the sun and the earth, may they continue to inspire awe and wonder, forever adorning our fields and gardens with nature's resplendent golden beauty. Ready to embark on a captivating journey of knowledge and discovery? Don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Subscribe to our channel now and become a valued member of our community. Click that subscribe button and let's embark on this incredible journey together.